Hello everyone, today we will see how to create a button and how to customize it in Android Studio. So let's start with the XML file. First we will be taking the wrap content to wrap up the button according to our content size. Then we will be adding the text as submit as we are creating the submit button. We can also customize the text of the button, the size as 20 sp and the color as white. I am using the color code here. You can directly define also the code in the colors.xml file. To check that video, check in the description. We can also style the button in bold, italic and normal. I am keeping it normal. Elevation is for elevating the button and look attractive. It is an additional element. Background of the button can be taken from drawable folder. Right click on the drawable folder, create new drawable resource file and name the file. You can see the root element as selector, but you have to change it to shape our button. I have already created it. You can see some extra commented lines here. Those are for the radius of the corners. You can customize the radius of the corners, see top of the corner. Also, you can customize the bottom of the corners. And we can check it in the XML file. The changes are made. Also, by using this background, we can use the colors in the background. And we can change the button colors and check it in the XML file. We are keeping it simple. There is another way to color the button by using background tint. But to use the background tint, you have to be using the themes XML file as app compact, not as material. I will show it in the further video. Here's an error for missing constraints. When you are using the constraint layout file, you have to constrain it from all the sides. The easy way is to go in the design section, add constraints to all the sides and make it 0. As we are only using the button, if you are using more elements, then you have to constrain it in another ways. If you want to have that video, please write in the comment section. You can see we have got all the constraint code here, so we don't need to recode it. As I said, you have to check the theme section. We have already put it in the app compact file as no action bar. Same with the night view. Whenever you will be on the dark mode, it will access the night view, and in the day mode, you will access the theme.xml normal mode. After running the file, you can see the output. Thank you for watching.